Okay, friends, for our circle activities today, you should have 3 different activities. So our first activity I wanted to go over was this sheet. So what you're going to have to do is this is counting one-to-one correspondence like we've done before. And then we also have to match. So what we're going to do is we're going to count the items using our pointer fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we need to find the number. So what you can do is cut these numbers out already, and you can lay them out. If your child is pretty successful with being able to receptively identify the numbers from a large field, I would just lay them all out on the table and have them get the correct number to put there. If they're still not ready to do it from a large field, you can hold up, like say for this one, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, you can hold up maybe the number 4 and the number 1, and you could say, okay, we counted 4 bears, get 4. And then you would go through that prompting process that we talk about a lot. So you would maybe push the 4 a little closer or point to the 4. If they're still unable to get it, you provide like an elbow prompt or a wrist prompt towards the 4. And if they're still unable to get it, you can provide hand over hand to get the 4 and put it there. So the next one we would do is we would count this one. Same thing. I see beds. Let's count the beds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make sure that your child is using the isolated pointer finger and is slowly counting, because sometimes they have a tendency to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they keep going. They just want to keep counting. So make sure you slow them down. And sometimes you might have to model it for them. If they keep going really fast, you have to show them, like, watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if they're still struggling to do that independently, you can take their hand and point their finger for them and show them and have them count slowly with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you would do the same thing, like either have all the numbers out or maybe hold up like a field of 2, like the number 2 and the number 5, and have them receptively identify the number 5. So our next sheet that we're going to look at is this one. So look, I see the bears, because there was bears in our story, beds, because there was beds, bowls of porridge, and then chairs. So in each row, there is something that is different. So these are all the same except one. One is going to be different. It does not look the same. So what your job is to find the one that does not look the same. So look, let's look at our first one. I see a bear wearing a yellow shirt, blue shirt, yellow shirt, yellow shirt, yellow shirt, yellow shirt. Which one is not wearing a yellow shirt? You're right, there it is. And he's wearing a tie. This one is different or not the same. So that's what you're going to do in each row, is circle the one that is different or not the same. Our next sheet is patterns. So this is just a simple, this is called like an A-B pattern, because it's just A, B, A, B, A, B. So what you're going to have to do is try to figure out what comes next. So you'll cut these pictures out, and then what I would do is just lay them out on the table and have them choose what comes next. So look, I see bear, chair, bear, chair, bear, and ask what comes next. And then their job will be to figure out what item comes next to finish the A-B pattern. So good luck, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask. Good luck.